So, good morning everyone. I am Gabriel Kamsad and I am here in front of you to talk about some things that are unique to myself. So, first of all, most of you can see me as a loud person, but if you will see me outside, I'm a really shy person. No, really, I'm a shy person. If you will see me outside, you cannot see me talking to strangers. Because I hate talking to strangers, so when I talk to strangers, I immediately go into panic mode. But I love talking to my friends, so it's a wonder how I make friends. So second, I love reading lists. I love reading lists, and it became my hobby to read lists at 4 p.m. on a certain website. And mostly, I'm a private person. I don't talk much about my life. You guys don't know anything about me, but no one has ever been into my house. I don't talk about my family, my problems to you, and all that. And I'm more like a standby person. If you will see me outside, somebody gets run over, I will just watch. Because I don't know. That's me. Whenever someone is in trouble outside, I will not help them. So I guess I'm unique. I'm unique in a bad way. So, but that's all. Thank you.
Well,